Hello, 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 hello everyone! Hello! Hello, hello, hello guys! Nandito ako ngayon sa Spring Hill Suite in Manhattan, Los Angeles. Another vlog for today. Come on! Watch us! No bashing, just for fun! Go, go, go! Hello, hello, hello everyone. Tara na, papasok na tayo sa loob ng hotel at tingnan natin kung ano ang mga kaganapan sa loob. Ayan yung kanilang loob na lobby. And then, pagtingin mo sa kanan yung canteen. And then, ayan, lalakad ka, papasok. At doon ay may elevator. At doon kami sasakay papunta sa 6th floor. Anong room tayo? 608. We are waiting for the elevator to open. Dito na kami sa loob ng Spring Hill Suites. We are now inside the elevator going up to the 6th floor. So, everyone, andito na kami sa 6th floor. At ang number ng room namin ay 608. Nga pala, I want to introduce to you a new friend of Mateo, Leo Chokers, yung hawak-hawak niya. Pagbigyan na natin, dahil wala siyang kalaro, ayan daw yung kanyang new friend. So, Leo is our new family member. Gawin nating maligaya ang isang batang walang kapatid.
Hello guys, this is Leo. He is our new family member, and we will include him in our vlog.
Okay, everyone, just for fun, no bashing. This is our room. So, ito yung lababo. Lababubo. Ayan, may sabon, may tissue. Ito naman yung CR. Bathtub. Shower. Ito naman yung mga good job pa. Okay. Nasaan? Ay, mainam pala. Kitang-kita natin yung ating paradahan. Asan na alin? Alin dyan? Ay, sa baba. Ayun, sa baba. So, ito yung TV. Ito, ano to? Yan, ito yung aming cabinet. Lalagyan ng bagay namin. Plancha. Sabi ni Ebert na may lababo. Ito yung microwave. Ito yung ref. So, ayan. Ayan na yung tour. Ayan na yung room tour. See you later. Guys, see you later. To be continued. Hello, hello, hello guys. Good evening. Kakatapos ko lang mag-shower and after shower, ako ay nag-dinner. So, ang kinain ko lang ay yung pad thai. Ito yung pad thai. Look. Oh guys, ayan yung pad thai. Hindi ako masyadong nasarapan. So, after kong kumain, syempre, preparing to sleep na. At dito ako mahihiga. Katabi ko dito si Mateo. So, dahil sa medyo malakas yung aircon at malamig at ako'y parang sinipon. Dahil kagabi napuyat ako sa kaka-prepare ng luggage papunta dito sa LA. Ayan, ito ang isusuot. At ako guys, pagka nag-hotel kami, nagdadala ako ng blanket ko kasi alam nyo ba na ang lamig ng kumot. Malamig to, malamig. Kaya meron akong ganito. Later, mag-toothbrush pa bago matulog. Oh guys, ito yung katabi kong matulog. Oh. Laro pa ng laro. Oh, later ha, we'll sleep na ha. Hello guys! Good evening. It's time to sleep. Tapos na kami mag-toothbrush. Mateo, toothbrush or had toothbrush is teeth already. Me too. So it's time to sleep. Good night everyone. Come on. Magkumot ka na. Turn off the Turn off this one na. Oh, look at the video. You're saying goodbye to my fans. Goodbye fans. Ay, goodbye, good night. Good night fans. Good night. Oh. Come on. Let's sleep. Ito.
Can you stop it, please?
Where's your blanket?
Can you stop it, please?
Where's your blanket? Ay, naku, ito pala yung blanket ko. What about you? Where's your blanket?
It's here.
Oh, here. Here, ayun ang blanket ni Mateo. Good night. Good night, everyone. Oh, turn off the iPhone na.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Ay, naku guys, paano naman ako makakatulog? Ang ingay-ingay nito katabi. Hindi pa natutulog, oh. Ay, naku, Diyos ko, day. See you tomorrow. Hello, guys. Good morning. Mateo, good morning. How's your sleep? Is it good? Okay, yes. Not really because someone is snoring. So you say hi to my fans, to your fans.
Hi, po.
Hi, vlog. Say hi, vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Naantok pa. Okay, tingnan nyo naman ang itsura ng aming higaan. Para na kaming hinalukay, parang dinaanan ng bagyo. Yung aming higaan. Look. Naiba na pwesto. Kanina, kagabi, doon ako sa kabilang side. Ngayon, nandito na ako. Okay, see you later. See you later. Kakain kami ng breakfast. Bababa ako. Hanggang 9 o'clock lang ang breakfast. Today is July 27. We're having breakfast. Hello, hello, hello everyone. Let's eat. Hello everyone! Tapos na kaming kumain ng breakfast. So, di ko naubos yung apple juice ko kaya iaakit ko na dun sa room. So, paakyat na ako. Dala-dala ko yung aking apple juice. Dito na ako sa room. Good morning, Manhattan Beach! Tingnan natin yung labas. Sa malayo. Everyone, today is July 27, Sunday. And bye for now. See you next time. Thank you for watching.